What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a short and sweet one for you, but before we get into that, go ahead and link below, subscribe, like, everything else you want to do, check out the comments, check out some of my other videos. But right now we're going to be installing a tailgate dampener. It will hook onto this here, down in here. So when you open and close the tailgate, it does so slowly. This is a 2013 truck, so didn't come with one of those from the factory. Anyway, let's jump right into it. Alright YouTube, so first order of business is to install this guy, and the instructions say to have, well, a 3/4 inch gap between the nut, the washer face there, and the head of the nut. So we gotta back this guy out a little bit. And now, there we go, 3/4 of an inch between the washer face and the head of the bolt. Alright YouTube, so the next step here is to put this bolt in there like so. So what we got to do is use our 5mm Allen key, adjustable spanner, wrench, whatever. Plug this in here. You can either turn the Allen wrench counterclockwise or loosey-goosey, or the wrench clockwise, whatever you'd like. But it says to do this 9 times, 9 360-degree turns, so. That is in there pretty good and snug, as you can tell. Let's just pull this guy out now, and back him off. Okay, next step involves this plate here. The screw, some thread locker. What we're gonna do is put this plate up here, flush against that little threaded lock we put in there. Thread lock on the screw, screw in the hole. I think 8 Newton meters, 10 foot-pounds, something like that. Yeah, bolt, thread locker. Sure you get a good amount on here so it doesn't go anywhere when you're driving down the road. Place. Just hand tighten it initially until you can't really get it going anymore. Number 4 Allen key here, and tighten it down to, again, 8 foot-pounds. I don't have my torque wrench with me. It is at my brother's house, so that's about right. Maybe a little more for good measure there. Okay, the next step is to remove what we've got focused here. This is the tailgate cable clamp. Best way to do that with a flathead screwdriver, just come in here, pry up, get your hip underneath the tailgate a little bit, support it, pull it back, push up, off it comes. Let that go to the side, and then get a wrench, pull that bolt out. Use a 13mm socket and take this guy off. Alright, comes off by hand now. Now, the kit does say it comes with a plastic sheet, mylar sheet, which I've kind of already wiped down space for to prevent rub, so I'll get that next. Okay, now that we have our yellow, well, clear plastic strips cut to size, got some alcohol on a paper towel, clear off the mounting surfaces, wipe them down really well. We don't want this plastic to peel. Alright, let's air dry it a little bit. Let's figure out where we're going to put these pieces. It's almost like putting contact paper on your old school textbooks. I don't know if any of you had to do that. Okay, so this guy will go right in there, like so. If you have short fingernails, good luck. Trying to do this without getting in your view too much. There we go. Sort of go from the center and press out. This doesn't look like the strongest plastic, but then again, it came in a kit that's 20 bucks, so if they're gonna skimp on something, I'd rather it be the plastic and not the shock. All right, next step, put the plate on. This plate looks like this. Original bolt, hole, tighten into place, hand tighten, and again you'll use the 13mm wrench to snug it up. That says, also need to use your hands, keep the plate from sliding or rotating or walking away from you when tightening. So with one hand in place here, crank it down. Again, just check the alignment. There we go. Keep it from walking away on you. Once it's good and snug, move on to the next step, which happens to be tailgate cable, which we put out of the way for the time being. Simply lift up slightly on the tailgate, move the larger hole here over the bolt, and pull down like so. Cable's back in place. All right, now that the mounting brackets are in position, we're going to install the shock itself onto the brackets. Okay, the top of the shock, the big fat part here, the hole there, that goes up here. There you go, use your palm, press it on. All right, the last step here in the install, a small portion of the shock goes to the bottom hole. There we go. Okay, so that is the DeeZee install there. Giving it a test now to see just how well it performs. Bed shuts, open it, let it drop. Smooth operation there. All right guys, that is the install of the DeeZee shock dampener. Again, it's not a easy lift tailgate or anything like that. It does not help you lift the tailgate up. It will simply soften the open of the tailgate. If you liked what you saw, if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel. We've got more coming. Review on the bed cover I have here, and potentially a LED light bar installation. Thanks.